Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on a 1997 Toyota Corolla. We're going to be changing the EGR valve on it so that my daughter can get it smogged. So anyway, I don't know how much I'm going to show, but I'm going to show you as much as I can. Alright?
Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Got this right here, which would be real easy to change. It's just unhooking the hoses and or the vacuum lines, and then just pulling it out of here, out of this clip. Right under there, you can see it in there. It's like right straight down, right in here is the part that we're going to change. Right there. So I don't know, I got big hands and there ain't a whole lot of room to move, so we'll see what happens.
Okay, so this is a 1997 Toyota Corolla. My daughter got it for $600, which isn't actually a bad deal because it's actually in pretty good damn condition for 600 bucks. There are a few different things that we're going to have to fix on this thing, like this big old crack in the exhaust manifold, which that's another video. And I got to fix that hinge right there that's busted. But yeah, the EGR valve, well, the first part of the EGR valve is in right down there. This one right here, this shouldn't be too hard. This is just, you undo the vacuum lines and you slide this out and you put the new one in. But we're going to see if the bottom piece was the problem for the emissions, and if the top piece needs to be replaced, we'll replace that too. That's a 5-minute fix. But yeah, it's in, it's done. It took a little while, but I got it done.
Alright guys, so there's the part number right there. We got it at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It was $140, I believe. But yeah, it's not a cheap part, but O'Reilly Auto Parts had it in stock, so that was a good thing. Alright, so she went and got me the second piece right now, and that's the part number right there. This thing was $55.83 at O'Reilly. Most people get their auto parts from like online and stuff like that. I don't do that. I like to go to the parts house and get it. I'm just the type of guy that I like to see what the hell I'm buying, and I like to hold it in my hand before I pay my money. But yeah, $55.83. Okay, and this is what it looks like right here. It's 2 vacuum hoses on top and then 1 on the bottom, and that's it.
And all you do here, you just undo these lines without breaking it. Ugh. And then the one underneath. And then this thing just clips right in, just like this. Comes right out. Oh, and I forgot that vacuum line there too. Shit. Oh well, I'll get it. And there it is right there, all complete. Brand new top and bottom EGR. Looks good on there, and it should have no problem passing emissions now. But like I said, this is real easy. This just clips right in to this little C-clip right here. But yep, that was the easiest part. Alright, so I didn't get a whole lot of video. It would have been too much of a pain in the ass. There was barely enough room for my arms to fit down inside the back of the engine, between the firewall and the engine. So it's just 2 bolts. That's it. Just 2 bolts. It's I think a 12 millimeter. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's a 12 millimeter, 2 bolts, and you're gonna have really skinny hands or really small hands to get in there. But you're going to need a 12 millimeter box end for the one side, and I used a 12 millimeter socket with a short extension and a swivel head on the ratchet for the other side. Not too bad. As soon as I figured out what I needed to do, it got done pretty good. But it was kind of a pain in the ass trying to get in there, if you got big hands like Big Mac does. But anyway, like I said, that's what it looks like right there. 2 bolts. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and sorry it wasn't more helpful, but like I said, it was hard enough trying to get my hands down in there to turn the wrench in the ratchet. So it is what it is. If you're doing this job, you'll figure it out. But get it done. Alright guys, take it easy, and we'll talk to you in another one. Thanks for watching.